Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ganesh studying BE first year computer science in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today's subject we are going to learn about is Introduction to Python Programming, and the topic is on getting keys, items, values and a specific key value in a dictionary. Accessing and writing data in a Python dictionary. Values in a Python dictionary can be accessed by placing the key within square brackets next to the dictionary. If the key already exists, the old value will be overwritten. Attempting to access a value with a key that does not exist will cause a key error. To illustrate this review card, the second line of the example code block shows the way to access the value using the key which is shown in example. Next, syntax of the Python dictionary. The syntax for a Python dictionary begins with the left curly braces, ends with the right curly braces, and contains 0 or more key value items separated by commas. The key is separated from the value by a colon, which is shown beside the figure. Next, dictionary value types. Python allows the values in a dictionary to be any type: string, integer, a list, another dictionary, boolean, etc. However, keys must always be a immutable data type such as strings, numbers, or tuples. In the example, we can see that keys are strings or numbers. Dictionary key value methods. When trying to look to information in Python dictionary, there are multiple methods that return objects that contain the dictionary keys and values. First, keys returns the keys through a dict underscore keys object, values return to values through a dict values object, and items return both the keys and values through a dict items object. Next, understanding dictionaries. It is a fundamental data structure in Python consisting of key value pairs. They are versatile and can store various types of data, making powerful tool for developers. Accessing values in dictionaries is simple. By using the keys as the index, we can access values and we can retrieve the corresponding values. This allows for quick and efficient data retrieval. Adding and updating entries. Dictionaries are mutable, meaning that we can easily add new key value pairs or update existing ones. The flexibility enables us to dynamically modify the data in dictionaries to suit which can relatable to our needs. Next, the dictionary data type. Like a list, a dictionary is a collection of many values, but unlike indexes for lists, indexes for dictionaries can use many different data types, not just two integers. Indexes for dictionaries are called keys, and a key with its associated value is called a key value pair. In code, a dictionary is typed with brackets. Example. The example is given for cat. Size, fat, color, gray, disposition, and loud. This assigns a dictionary to the my cat variable, which is the variable. These dictionary keys are size, color, and disposition, which are mentioned above. The values for these keys are fat, gray, and loud respectively. They are relatable to the upwards. Next, the keys, values, and items methods. There are three dictionary methods that will return list like values of the dictionary keys. Values are both keys and values. The values returned by these methods are not true list. They cannot be modified and do not have an append method, but these data types can be used in for loops. Here is given example. Color red is 42. If we print v, the output is given as red, and the in the get method, Python get method return the value for the given key if present in the dictionary. If not, then it will return none. Syntax: dictionary dot get key name comma value. Here is the key name parameter, which means it is required, and the key name of the item you want to return the value. In value, it is optional. A value to return if the specified key does not exist. Dictionaries are fundamental data structures in many programming languages. They store information as key value pairs, allowing you to efficiently access data using unique keys. Here's how to work with keys, items, values, and specific key value pair in a dictionary. Getting keys method. This method returns a view of all the keys present in the dictionary. The view object reflects changes made to the original dictionary. Getting items key value pairs. Items method. This method returns a view of all key value pairs as tuples in the dictionary. Similar to keys, it's a view object and reflects changes in the dictionary. Getting values. Values method. This method returns a value of all the values present in the dictionary. It's another view object that reflects changes in the original dictionary. Getting a specific key value pair. Square bracket notation. You can access the value associated with a specific key using the key enclosed in square brackets. If the key doesn't exist, this will raise a key error. Dictionary creation and modification. Constructor. You can create dictionaries using various methods. The most common way is with curly brackets, specifying key value pairs separated by commas. Python also allows dictionary comprehension for a concise way to build them. Adding key value pairs. Use square brackets notation with the key on the left and the value on the right to add new elements to a dictionary. Updating values. Similar to adding, use square bracket notation with the key and the new value to modify an existing key value pair. Removing key value pairs. The POP method removes a key value pair and returns the value. We can also use POP item to remove any arbitrary key value pair. There's also delete keyboard to remove a key. Next, conclusion of the topic. In Python, you can interact with dictionaries using methods like keys, items, and values to get keys, items, and values respectively. Access a specific value using square brackets with the key. Lastly, thank you for watching this video. Please watch the full video and like it. Thank you.